Doors play a bigger role in your home than many people realize. They help protect your living space, maintain indoor comfort, and contribute to your home's overall appearance. Over time, even well-made doors can begin to show signs of wear. For homeowners in Covington, recognizing when it's time to upgrade to replacement doors can help prevent bigger problems and improve everyday living. Noticeable drafts and temperature changes. One of the clearest signs that your doors need attention is feeling drafts near entryways or interior doors. Gaps around the door frame allow outdoor air to move freely inside, making rooms feel uncomfortable and uneven in temperature. Covington homeowners often notice that certain areas near doors feel warmer or cooler than the rest of the house. Replacement doors are designed to fit more precisely, helping reduce air leaks and improve overall indoor comfort. Difficulty opening or closing doors. Doors should open and close smoothly. If you're struggling with sticking, dragging, or misaligned doors, it could be a sign of warping or frame issues. Over time, exposure to moisture and regular use can cause doors to lose their original shape. In Covington homes, doors that don't operate properly can become a daily frustration. Upgrading to replacement doors helps restore ease of use and ensures doors function as they should. Visible damage or wear. Cracks, dents, peeling finishes, or soft spots are clear indicators that a door may be nearing the end of its useful life. These issues not only affect appearance but can also compromise performance. For Covington homeowners, worn doors can make a home look outdated or poorly maintained. Replacement doors instantly refresh the look of your home while addressing structural concerns. Increased outside noise. If you're hearing more noise from outside than usual, your doors could be part of the problem. Older doors often lack the insulation needed to block sound effectively. Gaps and thinning materials allow noise to travel inside more easily. Replacement doors help create a quieter indoor environment by providing better sealing and sturdier construction. This upgrade is especially noticeable in busy areas or homes near active neighborhoods in Covington. Rising energy costs. Doors that no longer seal properly can put extra strain on your heating and cooling systems. As conditioned air escapes, your system has to work harder to maintain comfortable temperatures. Many Covington homeowners turn to replacement doors after noticing steadily rising energy bills. New doors help minimize air leakage, supporting more efficient energy use throughout the home. Outdated appearance. Your doors are a major part of your home's visual appeal. An outdated style or worn finish can detract from the overall look of your property. If your doors no longer match your home's design or feel tired and dated, it may be time for an upgrade. Replacement doors allow homeowners in Covington to update their home's appearance without a full renovation. Modern designs can dramatically improve curb appeal and interior aesthetics. Concerns about security. Doors serve as a key point of protection for your home. If your current doors feel flimsy or have outdated locking mechanisms, upgrading can provide added peace of mind. Replacement doors are built with improved materials and secure fittings, helping homeowners feel more confident about their home's safety. A smart upgrade for everyday living. Knowing the signs that it's time to upgrade helps Covington homeowners stay ahead of potential issues. Replacement doors offer improved comfort, smoother operation, better appearance, and enhanced security. When doors begin to impact daily comfort or functionality, upgrading to replacement doors is a smart investment that improves how your home looks, feels, and performs.